Hello guys, I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation, configuration for some open source application. Okay guys, so for today's video guys, I will teach you on how to create a campaign. Okay, campaign. So because you are, for example, you are getting a campaign. So yeah, okay. So to create a campaign, you need to have your administrative main login or the any user under admin level 9 have permission to create a campaign. Okay, so just log in and then you need to go to the campaign. So and users, we have here users, campaign, list is where did you create a list and upload your leads or data. Script, okay, if you have a script. Filter, use this one to filter some phone number, to filter call count, to filter area prefix, area codes or zip codes. Okay, inbound, so this one is the number that you, the ID or the direct inward, the ID number, dial number. So once leads calling back you, so you need to set your incoming call from here. That's called inbound. User group, if you have multiple campaign and multiple, or you have actually Vicidial can able to use multiple companies, so you can able to do that using create them own user group. So you will separate them per user. Okay, yeah, the remote agents and more admin settings from here. Okay, so to create a campaign, for now we will create a simple campaign. Okay, so we can create this one, our company camp 1. Okay, so there will be a camp 1 solar campaign. Okay, camp S na lang, so camp SC. Okay, camp 1 SC. And then from the admin user, because you don't have any user group, so you can set this one for administration for now. And the next call available to be able to pass the call, so you can select this one, longest wait time. But if you want to manage your agent calls balance, so you can set to POS calls. But this time, if you set to POS call, the issue will, some agent will wait too long, because if for example, if you have 110 agents, okay, 10 agents, and then you have long wait, so some, or long wait and also POS, and new agents coming, always getting the call, but the old agent, it will wait, so it cause long wait from agents having a lot of calls already. So the best setting for this one is the longest wait time, okay, or POS call wait time, but we set this one longest wait time. Okay, and then it depends on your calling time. So if your company just calling 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. or 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., so you can set this one, but for now we will set to 24 hours. Okay, then submit. So after you submit, okay, after submitting, so now you have now a campaign. Okay, so you need a lot of settings from this one. Right now we create a campaign, but right now this campaign was set to manual dial. Offer manual dialing, it means it once they dialed on once agent login, so they will see a dial next, so they need to click the dial next number, then system will dial that number uploaded on the list. Okay, so you can set this one to ratio, and then once agent login, so the system will automatically dial the leads on the system. Okay. Okay, so right now it will be, you can set to ratio, dial prefix we will set later on that one, and other settings over here so that you can able to manage your campaign. Okay, so I can submit for this now. So now I'm now on ratio. It means out more these settings right now under auto dial, predictive dialing, auto dial, outbound calling only. Okay, so they cannot able to get any inbound call because we did not set yet. Because if you select this one, allow inbound and blended, so agent can able to answer inbound call. So they have some pop-up over there. They need select their inbound group, in group, and so that they can able to answer that call from that in group that assigned. Okay, so if I submit that, you will see some option at the bottom. So this one, allow inbound group, so you can select, if you already created an inbound group, so you will see here already. Okay, this one is a transfer group. So if you want to transfer the call to another agent's another campaign, you can able to transfer over here. Okay, so that, for example, we have Camp 1 Solar, and but the agent, but they looking for another company, or some for your or your agents was if you want to transfer them to Camp to Solar. Okay, so you need to create another in group over here to transfer by a group or to transfer for agent. Mostly, if are different campaign and different in groups, so mostly they will, the best way to do that is create one transfer group. Okay, from that campaign. Okay. All right. So after creating the campaign, okay, we have now a campaign. So from this one, okay, dial is status. Dial is status means this is only the status of the lead will be upload in the real time. Okay, it means we can go here, real time reports. So from here, the dialable leads only those status will be loaded in the dialable leads. Okay. Okay, and if you want to add the answering machine, so mostly the new, it will automatically added because it's a new lead, so it need to be upload on the dialable leads. But from the dial status AA and other, so this one's once you reset only the list. Okay, okay, so once you reset, it will gonna re-upload again on the dialable leads. Okay. Okay, agent not available. So that one for now. So you can add more if you want to add some dial status, so that when you reset the list, it will go to dialable leads. Okay, and then list order. So this one, form down, it means you can actually you can select this question mark, and you will see the definition on every selection you want to do. From down, select the first leads loaded into the list table. It means the first data or the first lead number that been loaded on the database. So it will first the dial from down to up. Okay. So mostly mostly we do this from some client that have very good leads, but some from cold calling mostly we do down count or down count second. It depends on what do you want to place your leads on the order. Okay, and if you have multiple leads and you want to dial it randomly, so you need to select this one to yes, so that if you have 10 leads, So it will load in the hover randomly, okay? But if you did not select this one and you set this one is down, only still the first one uploaded on the dialog, it will gonna load in the upper, okay? Okay, list mix. So we will okay, lead filter. So this one is the other settings. So if you want to filter some zip codes, some area codes, etc., etc., okay? So it filter to don't dial or filter to priority those number, okay? So okay, this one to reset. So yeah, they have some definition if you click this one, okay? And then yeah, okay. Okay. So okay, I think we are rest now. So we have created a campaign already. So we will continue again on for our next video. So we will continue. We will create some user group so that we can able to do. Okay. So once again, thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.